Welcome to the MWEA Irrigation Agricultural Development, a subsidiary of the National Irrigation Board, situated in the newly created Kirinyaga County, northeast of Nairobi. Rice farming needs a lot of water to thrive, and two rivers, the Nyamindi and Dimba rivers, ensures plenty of water. However, lack of sufficient fertilizers has hindered proper production. Privy Life Science Products, a leading fertilizer company with branches worldwide, has chosen the scheme to carry out trials on the new foliar fertilizer, which will help farmers improve production. The trials will involve two varieties of rice, which are Ita and Basmati. George, an agronomist with Novixa, will explain the whole process.
This is MWEA Irrigation Agricultural Development Center. We have come to evaluate the effectiveness of orthosilicic acid on yield improvement on rice. We did trials on the two main varieties of rice that are grown here at MWEA. Variety 1 was Ita and the second variety is Basmati. We did 4 treatments and replicated them 3 times. Our treatment were as follows. Treatment number 1 was for MWEA recommended fertilizers. That is the normal way the MWEA farmers grow the rice. Treatment 2 was 200 mils of Osa rice done 3 times and the recommended fertilizer for MWEA. Treatment 3 was recommended Osa application of 200 mils repeated 3 times with reduced fertilizers. Treatment 4 was double the rate of Osa plus reduced fertilizers.
Research Field Assistant, MWEA Irrigation Agricultural Development Center. I've been undertaking OSA trial, which commenced on 2nd August 2013. OSA trial is purposely checking on the effect and productivity of rice under usage of foliar. The first application was applied 14 days after transplanting. The second application was after 30 days and the third after 45 days, all after transplanting. Data collection, the main data collection taken during the rice crop was tiller numbers and rice height. Each in the old plot, we have 24 plots. All plots are under 3 replications, and in the 3 replications, each replication has 4 treatments. We shall take the harvest in a quadrant of 1 meter square so that we can be able to project the harvest per acre or per hectare. During harvesting, we shall take data from the 10 yields that have been selected randomly during the laying out of the trial. Now, we shall take data on the number of tillers per hill, the rice height, and also the yield per plot. But we shall specifically use the quadrant of 1 meter by 1 meter to estimate the whole yield of each plot under the different treatments. Also, from the 10 yields, the grains collected will also be counted, and in the grains we shall have to determine the number of sterile grains and the number of fertile grains. This will also help us in estimating the efficacy of the same foliar if there is a very high percentage of the fertile grains when we use OSA, or whether the fertile grains are of the same percentage and the conventional ways of planting rice in MWEA.
With the fertilizer tested by farmers, let us hear what they have to say about the outcome in production.
I'm a farmer in MWEA irrigation scheme in the berry section. As from last year, we had some visitors from OSA Chemicals, and their main purpose of coming was to have a farmer trial on OSA foliar application. And they requested me to identify around 12 farmers to do the trial, of which we did. And basically what was needed is the normal fertilizer application, which is done by farmers, then added foliar. And we had to compare where those areas where OSA foliar is applying and where it is not. And as from the beginning, during the growth period, we could see a significant difference in the crop where OSA foliar fertilizer is applied. It had a dark green color, and during this vegetative stage, it was more vegetative. It had more tillers than the one which was not treated. When we come to panicle initiation, the panicle of the OSA SRI treated product had no white ears as compared to the control one where OSA was not applied. And later, when we came to justify the production, we mentioned the tillering ability and the productive tillers of the crop. And we noted that where OSA foliar was applying, the crop had more productive tillers and than the untreated one. Still, we compared the panicle size. Panicle size had no significant difference. But when we did the sample cutting, we saw a significant difference where the product where we added the OSA product, the green wheat of the rice crop was heavier than where it was not treated. So actually, me as a farmer, I can actually satisfy that OSA fertilizer or OSA foliar chemical is a way forward to the farmers to minimize the cost of fertilizer application.
MWEA section unit 13 nituruisa gitagwo kiuria nini magamucere na nini mana fertilizer nyingi no mwaka ndirageririe fertilizer ya spray OSA ya spray ya foliar feed na ndirona ĩ njega kũringana na ũrĩa ndĩraruta magetha na ũrĩa ngethaga hĩndĩ ĩyo ĩngĩ. Koguo no njuge fertilizer ya OSA nĩ njega na no nyende arĩmi mamĩhũthĩre.
Amarĩtwa makwa njĩtagwo Esther Muthoni na ndĩ mũrĩmi na nĩ nyonete wega wa fertilizer ĩretwo OSA. Rĩu arĩmi no ndĩmwĩre atĩrĩrĩ, hũthĩre fertilizer ĩyo na wĩingĩ nĩgetha mũcere ũkũre na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Na nĩ ndĩroria ĩretwo matuka-inĩ nĩguo arĩmi mahote kũgũra fertilizer ĩyo nĩgetha mahote kũhũthia wega.